Hi guys, welcome to Taking Fan of India. As you can see here, we are taking the variable as like the file. X is the variable that is having the value string. The unit comma is mentioned Python. And the second variable like taken here y is equal to double quotation inside it mentioned is. Next variable is z is equal to double inverted comma inside alternative. And the last variable we are going to take as like the a inside we mention the super this here we will be splitting this. So four variable we have taken x, y, z and a, and all are having the different value are here that is given. So we are going to writing the same code for printing the value print x comma y comma z comma a, and we are running the code. After running the code, we can see our output just like Python is. That's Python is the biggest. So we can see the three four variable we have used print the four variable using the comma. We have got the output Python is the this code. Word Python is that this has completed a sentence. That is the Python is the first frequency. So same way we are going to the selecting the codes of the printing and with the comment. The next way of printing the same for variable we have used print along with x plus y plus z plus. Using plus we have added all four variables, and again we are going to running the code. After the running code we are getting the output. Python is the base, but there is not proper space in between the words. So we have already done addition of this code and we have got it done. And next time we are taking the space in between the plus, and then also we are not getting kind of this space. We need this space, we need to use proper quotation in between. A space should be made, but we are going to select all the codes we have created and we are making it comments control space done. So we are going to the next code here. X is equal to 100 and y is equal to, we'll get the 76, and then they are printing the value, printing inside the x plus y. We can mention the same value as it is. We are running the code, we are getting the value. Addition of both values the 126 as we are getting the value. And if we want to get the output with 126 only, and using the proper indication or implementation we can get the proper way. So we are going to print it with the proper indentation using the command. Here the commands are mentioning the addition of the x and y is equal to x plus y. So we are getting, by this way you will get the output just like the addition of the both number is equal to 176 after running this code in sequence. So we are written the code and after order our is comma, and then we run the code. I mentioned we are running the code before that we are preparing the code. Yeah. Running the code we can see addition of the both number is 176. That's expected. We have seen our output. So that's not a big thing. We are doing it great. And yeah, you are doing it great. After this, we have completed this particular code by addition to integer values using the plus operation, and last we have used the uh, variable with the plus operator in this. So next we are going to take two values, a is equal to 500 and b is equal to 6. In the same way, we are just passing two value 500 and 6, and right inside dimension the values like a comma b, and we run the code, then we get the output is 500 and 6. The two values, they have only two values, but there is no new line. Both values are in the same line. So we are going to add the back expression and the back expression here, and then they are value of the value base like is equal to a, then comma value of b is equal to b. Value of b is equal to b. We can see here something else that also we can see and put here. That's not big. We can proper indentation can move the clearance output good. That's not a big thing. We can do it properly. So value of b is equal to b. After running to 4, we can see the value. We can see the value again running to 4. We are getting the value of a is 500, value of b is 6. But we not use the back expression. We use the back expression. And we are getting the same value from separate lines. First value is value of b is 500 in the one line, and second line value of b is 6. As we can see here output. So that's all.